Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. My name is Osereme. In today's video I'm going to be making use of a scrap fabric to share with you how I made a fabric bow. So if this is something you're interested in, then let's go straight into it. For this tutorial guys, I made use of a tiny piece of fabric. As you can see, for the tutorial I just measured, I had two pieces of fabric for it, the bigger and the smaller one. The bigger one is 10 inches long and 6 inches wide, while the smaller piece of fabric is 4 inches long and 2.5 inches wide. So the next thing I'm going to do now is to fold each into two equal halves and sew the edge down. So I took this to my sewing machine, and as you can see, I've already sewn that edge here. So I did it for the both fabrics, that's the bigger one and this smaller part as well. So I'm just going to use my safety pin now to turn it right side out. So I went ahead to also trim off the rough edges. So here we go. Now I'm going to just fold one end of the longer fabric, like you see me doing like this, into the middle, and do the same for the other side like this. So both ends will meet at the middle now, like you see me doing like this. So now for this, now I'm just going to use my needle and thread that I've already put in and sew down this fabric together at the middle. Guys, make sure it's at the middle. So when I was done sewing this fabric together, all I did was to draw out the threads, as you can see me doing. So this gave it a kind of gather just there in the middle, and that just made the bow. That's just literally what makes it the bow. So I as you can see the way I did it now, I tied it up in the middle, then I stitched it at the end like so. Now that this is done, you can see how neat it looks already. This is really simple. Now this smaller part, I'm just going to place it right there in the middle to cover the thread, and I'm just using this to measure out how long I want it to be. So I'm going to cut off the excesses now before taking these tiny parts to my sewing machine to hold down at the end. So I'm going to take this hair down and sew it at the sewing machine. So now I've done this already, and I'm just going to turn it inside out to the right side. So here it goes. Now I'm going to kind of fold one end of my bow, as you see me doing like this, and try to kind of force it in, actually force it into this tiny hole that I've created. So it actually took a little bit of time, but actually it comes out really nice. So here it goes. After I've finished putting the tiny piece into the bow. So guys, this is basically it. This is how to make a simple bow. It's quick and it's easy, and you can see the back is looking very neat also. Please let me know what you think about this tutorial in this comment section. Thank you so much for watching guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.